Well, I just heard from the people at Roundstone Seed, and there's a problem in the Little Bluestem patch here. This grass right here that I kept saying looks nothing like the pictures of Little Bluestem. I actually wrote to them last night and had this video, the last video I made, queued up to the point where it showed a close-up like this, and I asked them if this was Little Bluestem, and they said, oh hell no, that's Yellow Nut Sedge. And they said I should dig it up and get it the hell out of here. This stuff all looks like the pictures of Little Bluestem that I've seen. And the second test batch is this right here. I got this stick marking it, but these are blue at the base as well. I mean, some of this stuff is weeds, obviously, but a whole lot of it looks like some of the pictures I've seen online. But then that stuff back there just looks so different. So we're trying to figure out where this stuff came from. It did not come from Roundstone, because all of this was planted from the same bag. I could not have just reached in the bag and grabbed all Yellow Nut Sedge seed. It just didn't happen. So it must have been in the soil that I planted it in. So we're trying to figure out where the hell the soil came from. We didn't dig it up or anything. It was store-bought in soil. We had, I think it was a potting mix. And then I know it was mixed with peat that was like pre-moistened peat or something like that. It wasn't the compressed cube of peat that we normally get. We got both of them from Walmart, so that's really interesting. That, I mean, none of the Bluestem came up. I took it right from the bag, put it in the pot, and covered it up, and this is what I got. So does Yellow Nut Sedge, does it have an allelopathic quality to it, that it killed the Bluestem? I don't know. But all of this stuff came up, and the second batch, that was from the second batch of seed, the stuff I showed you over there. So I really don't know. How did that seed get in there? It was outside the entire time, so, you know, it could have got blown in by the wind. But it definitely had Little Bluestem seed from the same bag as all of this. It had the same seed in there, so it must have outgrown the other stuff, killed it, whatever. Very, very interesting. So they said to dig that out, get rid of it, which is what I'm going to do now. There is little, that looks like Little Bluestem right there. It looks like there was just some mixed in with it. Some of the nut sedge. this stuff. Alright, I'm going to keep a close eye on this stuff. And I have some little bluestem seed that I'll toss in there just in case. But from the looks of this dirt, I think I solved the mystery. It looks like I used topsoil from Menards. You know what, I should just pull this crap out and yeah, we'll just take the whole damn thing out. I don't know what's in there. So wherever that topsoil came from, it looks like it had yellow nut sedge mixed in with it. Some bluestem seed there, and start over. So I'll just throw this in with the burnables and get rid of it. Yeah, see, that looks like little bluestem right there, at least from what I'm seeing over here. So hopefully they can tell me if this is little bluestem. It certainly looks like it. Compared to the images I've seen, it's pretty hairy. Blue at the bottom. But the thing is, they don't all look like that. I know this is different. Likely a weed. But I don't want to yank anything out. Well, hopefully I don't have too much. My daughter just cut this, and it's been a long time since she cut, so there's just a ton of, yeah, see, like this is a weed that we got everywhere. But this is what I believe is little bluestem. Okay. Well, that's about that. Right here. Yeah, there's lots of weeds in here, or weedy grass. This is foxtail. Mutant foxtail. 2,4-D did that, I believe. Foxtail started looking a little funky after I sprayed the 2,4-D. More foxtail. So Hopefully I got enough little bluestem in here to fill this in. I've been weeding and seeding, at least pulling out what I know to be a weed, like the yellow foxtail and a few others. But we'll see. Okay, is this little bluestem? Now that looks bluish. And some people say that it's flat like that when it starts out. And there's a lot of that. Who knows? Maybe they can identify it. But all the stuff that's coming up now kind of looks the same. I think the weeds are getting close to being done. That'll end it for this little Yellow Nut Sedge drama. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel and click on the update icon if you want to receive notice when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.